Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can start to earn money using AdCash. After registering to AdCash website, you need to log into it. The URL of the website is adscash.in. You can straight away jump to the home page. You can find it here. Go to home. Since you have already signed up, now you have to go to sign in. I have saved and kept my password here. So here you need to enter your sponsor ID and you have to enter your password and click on sign in. So once you sign in, this is how your home screen looks like. After you have logged in, the first thing you have to do is go and click these three horizontal lines here. Click on profile edit. Here you check whether all the details that you have provided are correct. Your login ID will be allowed. Here you check whether all the details that you have provided are correct. Your login ID will be allotted to you, your name, mail ID, mobile number, address, and most importantly, your bank account details. What bank account you are using, the name of the bank account, the account number, what branch it belongs, your branch IFSC code, your PAN number. The account number what you are giving here is the account to which the amount will be credited. No matter through whatever account you have made payment for registering to AdCash, it is not necessary you need to give the same account number here. But make sure the person on whose name you have registered for AdCash, you are giving the same person's account number here. Once you have updated your account details, you have to upload your profile photo. It is not actually mandatory, but the below things, your PAN card, your ID proof, and your bank proof, all these things should be uploaded. You can scan your PAN card and upload it here, and you can use the same as your ID proof. And for a bank proof, make sure whatever page you are uploading contains your name, your account number, IFSC code. After uploading it, click on submit. Once you click on submit, all the necessary details would be updated, and when you come back here, it might show you a screen like this asking you to giving you a browse button so that you can click and upload it again, so you don't get any fear that your profile is not updated. It is actually updated at your backend. So once you have done it, you need not worry about it. But I would recommend a good practice is often you come and check your account number and IFSC whether it's updated correctly. On the course of checking, please don't make any changes here that would create any problem for you in the future. So once this is done, here you can see a list of tabs. You need not worry much about the other things. You can straight away come to campaign and click on view campaign link. Yeah, one click has already been made by me. So it is showing here visited campaigns as 1, total campaigns as 60, not visited is 59. So actually to my package, 24,000 present value package, I have to get only 30 links. Since I have joined 2 other people on my down link, within 20 days, Booster has been activated for me and I am getting 60 links per day. So by this, my earning capacity has doubled. Okay, since first link has been clicked, now I will show you. You have to just go and click on the second link. Timer will start ticking. You need not worry much about what it displays here, because when you proceed to use it, you could find some broken links, error page, but that doesn't matter. The timer will run as usual and click to confirm button would appear here. You just click on it. So once it is done, here it will show your visited campaigns as 2, not visited would be 58. There is no necessary that you have to click all these links in the same order. You may go and click on some other number. So again the timer would start to tick. Once the time expires, a click to confirm button would appear. You just need to click on it and automatically your visited campaigns would become 3 and your non-visited would become 57. One thing what you have to be very careful here is when you are clicking on these buttons, make sure you never click on this submit task. I'm even afraid to bring the cursor nearby it, because the reason is even by mistake, once you click on it, the task would be submitted for the day and you will be provided credit for only 3 links. It won't ask you for any kind of confirmation. It would just go to the next screen. All your 57 links would go waste and you will be paid only for these 3 links. So when you are using it in PC, it's somewhat okay, but when you are using it in mobile, you should be very careful about it. Be careful not to click on submit task. Rather, idea what I would suggest is start to click from here so that you are very much safe about it. At the end of the day, all the 60 links has to be clicked. That is what we have needed. That is what we need, and we need not worry much about the order on which we click. I just want you people to show one more thing. Once this timer completes, I will show it to you. Yes, it's over. Click on confirm. So visited campaigns will become 4. There is no necessary for you to complete all these 60 links at one go. You can complete 5 or 10 links at a time. You can go here. You can see a logout. You can come out of the page, and later on at some other point of time you can do another 10 links, and you can do it at your own comfortable time. There is no problem in that. And one more thing what you have to see here is my team. Direct list. This shows who are the people who are directly linked to you. As of now, you can have 2 people under you, one over to your left and the other to your right. Make sure you make both of them to join with the same package what you have joined right now, so that booster would be activated for you, and also you will be earning 5% commission of the value for which they have joined. In this case, they have joined for a package of 24,000, so you would be earning 5% of 24,000 as your incentive. as a direct referral income. Apart from this, there is also one more income called Royal Pair income. I will show it to you. Here you can see there are two persons under me, each with 24,000 package. So this Royal Pair will run on twice a month, on 15th and 30th. So on 15th, it would check what is your total left side and right side business. In this case, you split it into half. My left side business is 24,000. My right side business is 24,000. So the least of it is also 24,000, and 8% of it would be provided as an incentive for you. So on 30th, if this person has got one more person join under him for a package of 24,000, and this person has made another person to join under him for a package of 13,000, so you won't get credit for these two person again, but the newly joined person 24,000 here and 13,000 here. So the lowest of both would be 13,000, and you would be paid 5% of that 13,000 as an incentive, sorry, 8% of the 13,000 as an incentive for you. Suppose in case there is no link available here and only one person has joined here, means even in that case the lower would be 0 and you won't be getting any incentive for it. I want to show you the income proof here. Daily job work payout. This is what I have earned so far by clicking on links. It's close to 14,000. My direct income, what I got for making two persons to join under me, is 2,136. My Royal Pair income, I'm sorry, there was a problem with it. I will log in again. Yeah, you can see here my Royal Pair income is 1,920. And here I will show you the summary of the total amount that I have earned till now. Payout summary. Daily job workout, I have earned 14,000, and through direct referral and Royal Pair income, I have earned 3,844. Sorry. So 13,999.50 plus 3,844.80, 17,844.30 is what I have earned till now through this. What I have invested is 27,600. So I need to get back 9,755. Once I get back this money, what I have invested uh, would be paid back, and whatever I earns after that would be profit for me. So approximately it took me 3 months. Yeah, within 3 months I would take back the money that I have invested, and for remaining 9 months I would be getting profit. How much profit I would get? Approximately right now I'm getting 459 per day. So per month I would be getting 9,180, and so for 9 months I would be getting 82,620 as my profit. One more thing what I wanted to tell here is this is what your actual income is. From that income, 10% of TDS would already be deducted from you. So what you are earning at the end is the actual net amount what you will get. There won't be any tax deduction on it because tax has already been deducted. And along with that, 5% admin charges would also be deducted, and then the remaining amount only would be paid for you. This amount before January 1st, they had been paying this amount on daily basis, but from January, they are paying it on weekly basis. And one more thing what I want to say is they have got another reward option here. Yes, if your team's left and right business, if you reach 75,000 of it, you would be getting a reward as a power bank. And this list goes on. See, you can even get a farmhouse if you could make a business of this much. Oh my god, I can't even read it out. It's nearly a lakh, 50, 85 crore. Great. And you would be getting all these links only on working days, which means you won't be getting these links on Saturdays and Sundays and also on national holidays. You can click on holiday list here to see the days on which you won't be getting. So on all these days you won't be getting any link, so there won't be any money for you. So that's it guys. And I forgot to show you the dashboard. So you can see here my booster has been activated. I have joined on 26th of November and November, December, Jan. Almost 3 months is going to get over and I would be getting back my investment and would start to earn profit. Best of luck guys. Hope you would be also having good time with this investment. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe and like, or if you have any doubt regarding this, please comment below. Thank you guys.